Begum Zohra Ansari. Begum Zohra Ansari was born in Delhi. She was an activist in Indian National Movement and she was also addressed by the name of Vastadri by Mahatma Gandhi. Apart from this, she was the adopted daughter of a freedom fighter named Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed Ansari and his wife Begum Samsun Nisa Ansari. Besides playing an important role in Indian national movement, their parents provided hospitality to the leaders, cadre of Indian national movements, scholars and the people of repute in different walks of their lives in their residence called Darus Salam. Darus Salam was as spacious as Royal Palace. While her mother, Begum Samsun Nisa Ansari, was busy with all these responsibilities, Zohra helped her. While helping her mother, she got an opportunity to see from close a quarter of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru and Ali brothers and to serve them. Right from her childhood, she developed interest in literature, history, social sciences, and apart from this, she got a proficiency in languages like Urdu, Arabic, Persian and Hindi. Zohra Ansari rendered her services in Vriddha Ashram for a very long time. When Gandhiji came to know about her proficiency in Urdu language, he decided to learn that language from Zohra. Gandhiji used to address Zohra in his letters as Vastadri or Beti. Gandhiji wrote a letter in which he remarked Zohra as he used to wait for these letters of Zohra every week. Gandhiji was very appreciable to Begum Zohra when Zohra expressed her desire to go to jail as a part of Indian national movement as her parents. Gandhiji asked her to wait and promised to allow her to go to the jail. Begum Zohra Ansari get married to a man, Dr. Shaukatullah Ansari, who was her relative and he was also the leader of Indian national movement. They both actively participated in Indian national movement. They both were against Begum Zohra Ansari and his husband, Dr. Shaukatullah Shah Ansari, was opposed the partition of India. For that, Begum Zohra Ansari sold away the Darus Salam to raise the party fund and to support the victory of Indian National Congress over the defeat of Muslim League who won the partition of India. After the post-independence, she led a simple life and she got passed away on 28 July 1988 in England.